goes nothing. Here we go. Oh my god, I just ran into the sign. I can't see anything. Here we go. Oh my god, here we go. I was just setting up the camera for a shot and now we have security coming, so that's cool. Literally the casino, like, yeah. How's it going? Just taking some shots.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome, thank you.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I was supposed to do a really cool intro until security caught me. Oops, my bad, probably not a great start. Tonight we are truck camping at the casino that we just got in trouble at. Yep. Oh well, I guess. The truck camper is looking so nice. Nice and clean. I can't believe that lasted not even 30 seconds. Why is this place called a resort casino? It doesn't make, like, what makes a casino a resort? This casino resorts to you being broke. They were just kind of playing word scrabble with it, maybe? Nonetheless, we are here at a resort casino and we are going to be spending the night trying to see exactly if it's a fun place to camp. Apparently so. You're really welcome to camp at most casinos. You should ask permission and go inside. But talking to a lot of people that do truck camping, van life, whatever, just anything, living in a vehicle, a lot of people choose to camp overnight at a casino if there's one nearby, besides of doing a Walmart or a Home Depot type of thing. So we're about to find out, is a casino better than camping at Walmart? Or should I just go to a local Walmart next time I can't find a place to camp? Or should I just go to a local casino? Let's find out. I currently have like mixed feelings about how this is going to go, truthfully. It is a Friday night. There may or may not be a bunch of intoxicated people. I don't know. Like, Walmart parking lots, loud shopping carts. Very bright, lots of talking until they close, and if it's a 24-hour Walmart, which I don't even know if that exists anymore, it's an all-night type of thing. This particular casino is open 24 hours as well, so we have a lot in store. I'm excited to test this out and see for myself if camping at a casino's really all that, or is it just basically another dud and you should just not look forward to it. Honestly. Also, add a new goal on the list. Don't get kicked out because there's security. Everywhere, apparently. Because I was very far back in the property, but it's fine. I've heard good things about this place, so I'm pretty excited. Let's go inside, check it out. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We have a limit. I'm not spending much money here, okay? I haven't been to the casino in like 3 years though, so I'm a little excited, and I've never been to this one before, and I think I've passed this exit 20,000 times in my life, so it'll be cool to finally go inside and check it out. Confused. Okay, I think I found it. We were on the wrong floor. No, I'm all set. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good night. 2 out of 10 experience. Came in, 50 bucks, which was way too much to begin with. And yeah, I have $0 left. So in case you're wondering how it went, that's how it went. I would love if we could never discuss this again. Let's just get in the camper and rethink our life decisions tonight. No, I could have done so many better things with that money. This is why I don't. Never again. Home sweet home. 'Tis the season. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh my goodness. Definitely super hot. I think the worst thing about this time of year is it's just gonna get hotter in here right now because we have to cook dinner because I'm starving. Casinos are just a scam. I'd rather go to an arcade because I can win like chocolate or like a teddy bear. That's way more fun. I understand that this is just like an adult version of a, you know, an arcade, but that's not as fun as an arcade, so. Just saying, call me a child, but I don't get it. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. Well, some dude walked by as I said that. Totally saw me in here, so. Stealth? That's me, they call me Stealth. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. I'm gonna crack open a window. We're having a little bit of an issue. Our stove / oven is not turning on, which is a major issue. Okay. That's super sketchy. We can't cook on the oven top. So the second thing is, if you guys saw one of my recent videos, one of you lovely people ended up sending me a propane stove that should fit my truck, or we were hoping would fit my truck. It doesn't. Almost fits my truck. Luckily I had it on me and I was really hopeful that it would fit on this table, but it doesn't. And it doesn't fit on this table, and it doesn't fit on that table. So I just, what do we do? Oh man, don't you guys just love truck camping? If everything goes right, it's not fun, so I guess I'll take it. I have a lovely meal that I was so excited about. What do we, Cooking on top of this, laying the propane on the tailgate. Laying it on the tailgate so the propane is positioned correctly so it doesn't, you know. Oh man. Chicken's gone right now. We're gonna assemble our bowl. Can't believe somehow we're eating dinner tonight and we are making it work. Chicken. Oh my God, I never seasoned the rice. Oopsies. Avocado, freshly diced. Somehow we did not blow up the truck camper. It's not funny. That was terrifying. Beautiful. Add some fresh chives. Ta-da! I thought I was just gonna have to eat my cucumber like this all night for dinner. I would've. So we got a special little sauce. Shout out to my mom. She was cooking dinner tonight and had extra chicken, and she marinated that in Italian dressing overnight, and it was already like pre-seasoned and everything, so should be pretty good chicken. Thai chili. It's a wing sauce, but it goes so good on everything, so it doesn't need to only go on wings. Little drizzle. Just kidding. There we go. Not ready for summer camping. Yep. Does this make me feel better about losing 50 bucks at the casino? Literally right there? No. But it's really good. There were like 4 cars that pulled up next to each other all the way over there. I can see the dust just flying around everywhere. Sorry. And I was genuinely like thinking about keeping some curtains open tonight because it was so like nonchalant. I was like, wow, there's not really that many people. Well, it's 10 o'clock on a Friday and now everyone's starting to show up. So I really wanted to like keep my window open, but it's gonna start pouring rain around 3 a.m. and I'm not gonna set an alarm to close the window. So we're just gonna be in a hot box tonight and sweat. Is that what hot box means? No? Nope. I'm not actually gonna eat both of these like fully, but I wanted to try them. Couldn't wait. Already tried these. If you've never had Tate's cookies, the best cookies on the market. They're so good, and every time I eat them I don't feel good, but I've only ever had like little bites when Lila gets it, and they recently came out with a vegan one, so there's no dairy, so I can eat this. Tried one already. Phenomenal. Another brand that I like a lot that has some pretty good dairy-free options. It's called Unreal. Almond Joys. I used to love Almond Joys when I was a kid. My grandma always had them at her house. So when I saw these and they're dairy-free, I had to try them. So let's see. There's no nuts in it like an Almond Joy, of course, but it's still the same concept except for the nuts. I'll compromise if it's good. Let's find out. Pretty similar to a cross section of an Almond Joy. Whoa. I hate dark chocolate, but this isn't too like dark chocolatey, like it's not too intense. This is pretty dang close to an Almond Joy. 8.5 out of 10, 8.9 out of 10. So far, I can't tell if I prefer Walmart or not. Definitely a decent amount of drunk people, very loud, but they're so spread out. Walmart, it's like consistent with how noisy it can be, but it's very spread out here. The night is still young for these gamblers, so it could just get louder and louder, truthfully, but you and I are gonna find out the hard way. I'm gonna find out the hard way, and then I'm gonna tell you guys about it, so lucky you, but shabam. It's just around midnight right now. I don't know if you guys could hear it, or still can hear it. Loud music, talking, screaming. Definitely a unique experience thus far, but I have a lot of thoughts, but it's too late to really put them all together, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Rise and shine. There's actually kind of a decent amount of cars for it being 7 a.m. pouring rain at a casino, you know? Looking spectacular this morning. Oh, Yeah, I'm looking good this morning. Yep. Good morning, casino. Should we go gamble? I'm just kidding. That's a joke. Never again. I did want to tell you guys the story of my first time ever gambling, but after doing so bad yesterday, it didn't feel right talking about it, I guess. The Hollywood, Florida one, the Rock Hotel, like the rock and roll one with the big guitar. I don't remember. I won 800 bucks and went straight to Bass Pro and got my first ever Shimano, my first and only Shimano Metanium DC. It's the most expensive bait caster you can buy in America, and yeah, it was amazing. I mean, those reels go for $550, so it's 550 bucks, and I got my first ever high-end and still my only super expensive bait caster. It was the most expensive, and still is to this day, piece of fishing equipment I've ever bought besides a boat. I think that was just beginner's luck because, yeah, I'm still a rookie, but oh, we didn't do well. We didn't do well. I just kind of did it for fun. I had that cash on me for gas this week and was like, you know what, who needs gas money when you can make the video interesting? No, it would have been interesting if I won. Didn't think that one through, but yeah, I'm gonna end off the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna sit here and answer the final question. Is this better than Walmart? No. I felt safer here than Walmart because at the end of the day, everyone here is just drinking and gambling, and they're either in a really good mood or a bad mood, and their goal is to not do anything else. It would be very dumb to rob a car at casino because everyone goes inside with their money. So I would assume casinos hardly ever get broken into, like cars, while you're inside. I can't imagine anyone who thought that through would think, I'm gonna break into this car when the person's inside with all their belongings that would be beneficial to you, like money, cards, whatever. So yeah, that was just my thought process on that. I do feel safer here. I didn't pick necessarily the best area to park. I picked the best area that felt like I was blending in more so than just parking further away. If I parked further away, this would be 10 times better than a Walmart. So based off of parking locations, I would have to say, depending on where you park, it definitely is better than Walmart. My spot on a Friday night, I mean, the door is right there. On a Friday night, the noise didn't stop until around 2 a.m., but I slept through pretty much all of it. I just had multiple people pull in next to me, and that was the one that would kind of wake me up because it was louder than the other people in the parking lot. But honestly, not bad. Like, I'm not disappointed, and I would definitely do it again. I'll add casinos to my list of places to camp when I can't find an area or a spot to camp because they are around, and I'm not mad. That was decent for a Friday night. I mean, I can't imagine it's really that much worse on a Tuesday night, so I'm happy we did it on a Friday night. Not bad, not bad. Resort casino. Why are you called a resort? Not sure. Twin Rivers Resort and Casino. Twin Rivers Resort and Casino. Too long. We're just gonna call it a casino. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me, coming along this adventure. Super happy overall. I'm pretty happy. I slept really good, so that's all I got. I'm gonna end off the video here. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.